Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. So on request, we are bringing this session for all of you, which is essay brainstorming. How to prepare for essay, how to understand essay writing. Now what is an essay? First of all, let us that we have to understand, right? कि ऐसे होता क्या है? ये समझना हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. So essay, it is a short piece. क्या है essay? It is a short piece of writing. It is a short piece of writing that throws some light on any given topic. For example, women empowerment or spirituality or question on India US relations. So if you are asked to write an essay, that means you have to shed light on that topic. Okay, ki what is that topic all about? Any short composition that discusses the topic, that expresses your point of view on that topic, that is known as essay. Okay, and there are two types of essays in UPSC CSE examination. Two types of essays. First is the formal, second is the informal. And the informal one can be on philosophy, on spirituality, etc. or your learnings of life. Formal will be on the current events that are going around all of you. So formal essays can also have a factual element in it. For example, you can quote in the formal essays, you can quote the government reports. Okay, in the formal essay, you can quote government data. Okay, and information about organization, etc. So formal essay has a certain degree of seriousness and formality attached to it. And in the informal one, here you have to express your own experience, your learnings about spirituality, philosophy, etc. Now here in CSE paper, two essays have to be written. UPSC CSE paper means you have to write two essays. And each essay will carry 125 marks. So total will be 250 marks. 250 marks का essay होगा आपका. In 3 hours, you will be giving your essay paper and you have to write the essay in 1000 to 1200 word. This will be the word limit. And essay paper in UPSC CSE is divided into two sections. First is the paper A. Second is the paper B. And each section will have 4 options. So you have to pick up any one essay topic from paper A and another one essay topic from paper 2. So total 2 essays you have to write. Okay, so you will be given the options also, don't worry. Instructions are very clear in the syllabus also, on the question paper also. Now we know, see, if you practice more, only then you can become perfect. जब आप practice करते हो जितना ज़्यादा, उतना ही जल्दी आप perfect बनते हो. So practice leads to perfection. Consistency leads to perfection. So if you need to score good in essay, you have to practice. Without practice, sorry, I cannot help you. Nobody can help you if you are not consistent and disciplined in your essay writing practice. Make sure every alternative day you write one essay on any one topic, either from the previous year question paper or from online, but you need to practice daily. And before we get to the practicing part, we have to do some kind of brainstorming over here. Okay, so how to brainstorm for essay? Essay के लिए आप brainstorm कैसे करोगे, कैसे search करोगे, right? See, brainstorming helps you to get the ideas at one place. Or if you are not brainstorming, that means your ideas will be separated, segregated, and you will find it very tough to accumulate them and write the essay. So brainstorming means collect the idea, write it down, collect the idea at one place in your mind. Okay, brainstorming will help you get all the ideas at one place for a quick reference. Okay, so you can start with any one topic. कोई भी एक topic ऐसे का उठा लो, उससे start करो. Then what you have to do, when you pick up that one topic, take a sheet of paper and list down all your ideas on that topic. For example, the topic is, write it down, Indian model of secularism. This is the topic, let us say. Okay? Now take a piece of paper and write down what all ideas you have related to this topic without searching anywhere. What you know about this topic. First thing can be triple talaq. Issue. Second can be religious barriers. Secularism आपके openness से जुड़ा है ना, तो यहाँ पर religious barriers second आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Then religious barriers आ गया, तो abrogation, write it down. Abrogation of Article 370, it was also in news related to this topic. The next idea can be universal civil code, personal laws. Okay, so these are the different kinds of topics that I have in my mind related to this title of the essay. and then you can search, go to Google and search the different points over these topics, over these ideas that you are having, accumulate them and then frame your essay. For example, the essay topic is, write it down, feminization of agriculture. This is the essay topic. So what comes to your mind, write down on a piece of paper. For example, feminization of agriculture, the farmer suicide comes to my mind. Then technological boom in the agricultural sector, role of women in the agricultural sector. Okay, then contribution of women through different cooperative societies in the agriculture sector. These are the different ideas that I am having regarding to this topic. Now what I can do to make sure that my ideas are clear cut, they are supported by data, facts and figures, I will do a little bit of Google search. I will write it down and then I will try to frame and structure my essay accordingly. So that will help me in completing the essay, because I have all the points in my head. I have done the research also on these ideas, and now I am putting them up in the form of essay. Okay, so that is your brainstorming. The first requirement for brainstorming is always focus. पहला requirement हमेशा याद रखना brainstorming का होता है focus करना. If you are able to focus on the job at hand, on the topic which has been given, then you are going to be able to jot down as many points as possible regarding this essay. Okay, point clear? यहाँ तक point clear हो गया आप लोगों को? Now another point is that essay should be written in such a way that shows, that reflects your clear understanding on this topic. If your essay is vague, if you are not sure of the ideas, you haven't done enough research, then your essay will be vague. Vague means it will not be very clear, and that will make you lose marks. So in the brainstorming exercise, what you can do, you can create rough mind maps also. Okay, you can create mind maps also. So in the mind maps, you can create diagrams as well. आप diagrams भी create कर सकते हो. You can create flow charts also. Okay, so these are the ways through which you do your brainstorming exercise, and through this it will become clear to you what points to write and what to ignore. Okay, point clear हो गया यहाँ तक सभी को? Now another word of caution is, when you write an essay, make sure you are respecting the constitution. If the essay comes on Indian polity or secularism, like society based essays, here make sure you are respecting the constitution. You must be democratic while you are writing the essay. ठीक है? While addressing the issues, and also make sure you are respecting the concept of freedom and equality in the essay if it is related to your current events or your society or Indian polity. Point clear? And try to not make sweeping generalizations on any given topic. Make sure you are patient enough to write the essay. If there is any problem in the society that you need to highlight, after highlighting the problem, make sure you are highlighting the solution also to that problem. And do not question the topic itself. Okay, do not contradict yourself. Pick an idea, stay on the middle path and write your opinions on it, but do not contradict the topic of the essay. Another important point is, you can use the pestle approach to write an essay. What do you mean by the word pestle? Your essay should have the elements of polity, should have the elements of economy, should have the elements of sociology, that is society, should have the element of technology. Also, it should have the element of legal aspects, that is constitution related aspects, and environmental analysis. This is the pestle approach. Whenever you are writing an essay on current events or any kind of current affairs, make sure you approach the essay with this approach. First, you will write, start the essay having a political view, then economic, then your technological view, sociology, legal and environmental view. Alright, and stick to the time limit. Whenever you are practicing essay, you have to write 2 essays in 30 hours. That means 1 hour 30 minutes for each essay will be allotted to you. Out of this, around 45 minutes to 1 hour will be required to write one essay only. Okay, and 10 minutes you can add to revise that essay. Alright, so plan your essays, your essay writing very carefully whenever you are writing the essay. And always remember, a goal of introduction should be, to make an impression, a lasting impression on the examiner. Introduction should not be confusing or lacking in clarity. It should further make the reading of essay interesting. You can start with quotes also if you remember any quote. And you have to write in paragraph format. Okay? आपको पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट में लिखना है, ऐसे को याद रखना. यू हैव टू कंक्लूड द सेंटेंस इन अ पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट. ठीक है, दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट में आप अपना ऐसे लिखेंगे. नाउ हाउ टू कंक्लूड द ऐसे. कंक्लूड कैसे करना है? सी, कंक्लूजन ऑफ द ऐसे शुड बी वेरी स्मूथ. It is important to note that a strong and smooth finish is very important as much as the opening of the essay. Alright, so you can conclude the essay in different ways. For example, you can conclude the essay based on your experiences, your opinions, or any quote or any example. You can conclude the essay like that. Okay? Point clear हो गया यहाँ तक सभी को? So what you need to do is go to the previous year question paper, pick any topic, brainstorm. Brainstorm means first on a piece of paper without cheating or without copying from here or there, write your ideas on that topic. What do you understand? What points, what ideas you get on this topic? And then you can search these ideas, these opinions online also, and then you are, ready to start with the essay. And do not forget that Unacademy has launched Unacademy Champions Conclave for UPSC CSE aspirants from tomorrow, that is November 20 till November 22nd. Here, the students who have themselves cleared this exam, the in-office IAS officers who are already have a lot of experience in the field, and the educators, subject experts, they'll be coming together to guide you. Okay, in your journey, UPSC CSE journey. It's a free conclave. Make sure that you join it without any delay.